Good morning, boys and girls. So I feel like we had a little trouble with the CH and SH paper. So I'm going to help you with this R blend paper today to hopefully make word work a little bit easier. So the first thing I want you to do is to color all of the BR words one color. And if you want to do the same color as me, that's fine. And all of the BR words are going to go there. So I looked on the first column and I only see one BR word. It's right there. And you don't have to color the whole box, just do color over the word so that it makes it a little bit easier to sort. So I can see that there's two BR words there. And then as I'm looking here, this one is a BR word, and so is this one. And then on the last column, I don't see any BR words. So then I'm going to change my color to a different color and do all of the CR words that color. So look in the first column and see if you see any CR words. And I see two, crack and crush. Then in the second column, I see crib. In the third column, this one, crab. And then in the last column, I see this word, crown. Okay, so now we're going to switch our color again and do the DR words, a different color. Okay, so I'm going to look and I see, oh, that first one, dress. And this one is drop, drip, drill, and drag. So the last one will be super easy because all of the words that are left are the FR words. So free, friend, frog, frame, and fresh. So now that I have all of the words in the right color, I'm going to write them in the boxes below. So I'm going to look at all of my red words. Those are the BR words. So there's brag, and then brace, bring, brick, brush. See, then I just sort them so that they all go under the correct place. So then I would look at all of my words with a CR. Cur, and then in the next column there's crib, and then crab, and the last one is crown. Okay. Next are the green words that start with a DR. So we had dress, drop, drip, and drill. And the last one is drag. Okay, and then in the very last column, we have the words that start with an F and an R. So free. And then in the next column, the word is friend. And then we have three more. Frog, frame, and the last one is fresh. So then you have all of the words sorted on the side. So if you turn it over on the back, we're working with words that have S and N. So I look in these words and I find all of the words that start with S and N. Okay, then you can do the paper clip, or if you don't want to do the paper clip, you just write the words on the line and then put the words in their right boxes down below. So you're just looking like the first one is going to be snug, like that, okay? And snip. So you're just looking for the words that fit the boxes. Okay, so when you're finished, I want you to turn it into the top tray with your name at the top so that I can check it. Good job.